Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I will show you where you can find recorded calls. It's very simple. All you have to do is just to tap on the dialer, then tap on the right upper corner, and then tap on the call recordings. And here you will be able to find every call record that you have on your phone. You will get here the name of the contact that you are talking, the length of the video, of the record, also date and the time where the record was taken, and that's it, right? Of course, right here I don't have any of them, but I can show you on my private smartphone how it looks. I got the ASUS ZenFone 7 Pro, and this option is also here available, so just take a look. It will be looks like that. As you can see, it's call recordings, the same thing like on the ASUS ROG Phone 5. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.